Hello students, this is DSE 2019 solution, and it is given that given a non-empty subset of R square, say y1, y2, yn, y star equal to summation of ij, y1 is this. So given that P belongs to R square is a non-empty set, and then V equal to supremum of this, so then for every P what is applicable. Okay. So we have this P of y star, P y star. So that is P of z1, z2 dot 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 zn. So if this thing is here, so this is less than equal to P of y1, y2 dot 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 yn2, which is summation of V of P of yi. Now this V of P of yi, this value function, summation value function is nothing but P of yi. P is inside, summation of y is outside, less than equal to P of y star, and that is V of P y star. So nothing but this will give you the option number yes 2. Okay, a simple open economy framework and increase in the government spending. So if G increases, then what will happen? Okay, so if G increases, then actually there will be deficit enhancement both in the current account and budget account structure, and the country's present situation with respect to helping the poor people and their countrymen will go down. So ironically this mostly happens, and in the present time sometimes the country tries to print money to get out of all this thing, which creates inflation in the long run. So this option is right. Next. So it's a linear algebra problem. So we have a Q equal to PA, P transpose, and P is given. So we first need to check PT into PT. P transpose is root 3 by 2 minus half root 3 by 2. Okay, so here in this case PT into P and PT into P will give you I. So this is the first part. Now Q equal to PAT. So this value, if we try to calculate PT, Q12 and P, so PT Q10 into Q into P. So 12 is broken into this part. So PT, now PA will be replaced by this PT Q10. So I replace 1 with this, and again PA, P transpose and P. Now PT, P and A. Now I'm putting a bracket here, and this time this PT is going out with Q10 and P, and this is A into P transpose into P. This is 1, so this we are left out with Y, PT Q10 P. This is 1, left out with another A. So here in that way PT, PT and QA, so in that way if we just do, so this will give you A to the power 12, so that is 1, 12, 0, 1. So what is changing? Only this part, 1, 12 and 0, 1. So option number 4 is correct. Okay, now it is Nitin. So let's see what Nitin is doing. So Nitin is a stamp collector. Wow, me too. I used to be a stamp collector. And consumes only stamp and cheese sandwiches. Wow, this one I don't like. His utility function U of S is S plus log C. If the Nitin is at the point where he is consuming both goods, then the total amount he is spending in cheese sandwiches depends on what? Okay, so let PS, price of S of sandwiches, and this is the price of C of the cheese sandwiches. Okay, stamp sandwiches. Nitin will consume only cheese till. So he will be only purchasing cheese till the marginal benefit is greater than marginal cost. Okay. And obviously marginal benefit of any particular item is higher. So that is if the marginal benefit over the cost and cheese sandwich will be lower by the consuming more cheese. So if MB is falling but cost is not changing, there may be the item may be replaced. Okay, so the amount he spends on this is depending on only price of stamps. So if we consider any one thing, for example, if we consider any one price, if any one the pattern is applicable. Okay, so option number 2 is correct.